Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to show my thesis proposal seminar. This is my title is Using Direct Method in Teaching Speaking for Improving Vocabulary and Student Speaking Skill at the 7th grade of Junior High School 38 Pekanbaru. Okay, this is my chapter 1 is introduction. The background of the problem is the research should give a special attention in teaching speaking. There should be certain strategy to improve their speaking in teaching and learning process. One of the proposed strategies in the direct method is one of the teaching strategies in facilitating the student to improve their speaking ability. Direct method is a kind of method their purpose on daily class conversation. The direct method was the student feedback to the teacher's activity, which was taught gradually and the learning process. The identification of the problem is student get difficult to remember vocabulary and lazy to translate English, and student were reluctant to speak because of worrying in making mistakes.
Go.
Okay, this is limitation of problem. Based on the identification of the problem above, the research limits the study by applying direct method in teaching speaking focus on conversation. The formulation of problem. The above formulation is to what extent could direct method encourage the student low speaking at the 7th grade student of junior high school 36 Pekanbaru. What the factor influence the student speaking by using direct method at the 7th grade student of junior high school 36 Pekanbaru. The purpose of research is to improve with the direct method can better increase student speaking at the 7th grade student of junior high school 36 Pekanbaru. To find out the factor that influence of the student speaking by using direct method at 7th grade students of junior high school 36 Pekanbaru. Chapter 2, review of related literature. This is the use of direct method to improve the student vocabulary master classroom action research of the 50-year student of elementary school by Wonokarto Banca. This is this application of teaching vocabulary master. In the writer observation, she used direct method to improve speaking class. So for learning process, just make a English and no translation and gesture. It is without tools learning process, just make a English and no translation and gesture. It is without tools to describe something and just communication between teacher and students. It's not focused in one word but completely the reader observe comprehension, pronunciation, grammar, and word order, vocabulary, and speech length. Chapter 3, the research design. The research is classroom action research. This is typically a classroom problem solving. Classroom action research is a method of finding out what work best in your own classroom so that you can improve student learning by method. And the location and the time of research. This research will conduct to junior high school 36 Pekanbaru at the first semester of academic year 2020. And participant of the research was 7th grade student class 7 the 2 of junior high school 36 Pekanbaru. There were 39 students and 20 female and male. Technique of collecting data. This is collecting data, have quantitative and qualitative data. In collecting quantitative data is firstly, it was implement percent to earn the data that pertaining to the student speaking through performance in direct method, and the research obtained it from observation file not interview in qualitative data. And analyzing quantitative data is the case the researchers analyze the data by using scoring system that the school use and the curriculum standard. And analyzing qualitative data is a data managing the data that was managed by researcher in collaborator in order to get good result and easy to analyze. Reading or memoing the data that was taken by each instrument that was read and memoed by the research, so that the data analysis was easier to classify the data was read and memoed was classified based on the category and specification, and interpreting the data was interpreting into general conclusion of general understanding from data. Okay, this is my about showing thesis proposal seminar using direct method in teaching speaking for improving vocabulary and student speaking skill at the 7th grade of junior high school Tektisik Pekanbaru. If I am make a mistake, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.